Hey Danny, what are you doing?
I am checking a spare tire. It's one of the little things we do on a service here that really pays off on the back end. Most cars, if they come with a spare tire nowadays, it's a little donut spare. As you can see, it's quite tiny. Doesn't hold a lot of air, and they actually have you run them at very high pressure, 60 psi. And it's kind of one of those things that's very easy to forget it's there. I'm going to check this tire right now. This one wants 60 psi, so I don't know where this is going to land. 32. This tire won't work right, and actually could be unsafe. Just one of those things when you bring it to us, we do actually really look these cars over. We are not interested in just spilling and filling it, so to speak. It's about making sure you get the mileage out of your stuff. And it's just those little things to show we care. Especially as cars age, they really do need to be gone over.
So I'm gonna add in, this is the first time we've actually serviced this car. Came in here, so it's actually pretty impressive that it was only down to 32 psi. Usually, first time that we see these cars coming in, the tires just straight up flat. So, and when you already have one flat tire and you're gonna get your second flat, open up your trunk and find out you got two flat tires, it makes for a really bad day. So thanks guys, and just the little things we do, and everybody wonders why it takes just a little bit longer. Thank you.